Step 1. We need to find out what your store's IP address is. If you go to your Office PC and go to the Start icon in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and we're going to go into a command program. So if you can type in the letters CMD and enter, you will see this black box appears. And just where the arrow is of administrator, if you can type in IPCONFIG, now the IP address will either appear as IP address or IPv4 address. For this store here, you can see that it is 172.3.1.88. You do not need the numbers 253. Now we are ready to use the Honeywell. Ensure that it is charged and remove the stylus from the back of the handset. The first thing we do is go to Windows Start, then Settings, Control Panel, and double click on Network and Dial-Up. Then select DSFL-TR by double clicking again. The first two options is obtain an IP address or specify an IP address. The correct selection is specify an IP address as shown on the screen. Now we're going to link the Honeywell to your store. If you take the IP address that you obtained earlier from your Office PC and entered exactly as you've seen it on the screen, first put in the first three digits. For this store, the first three digits are 172. Once the third digit is entered, it moves to the next section. If you only have to enter 2 digits in any of the sections, you will have to use the stylus in order to move the cursor forward. The last section of the IP address is to number the Honeywell, and we number these for stock taking purposes. The first Honeywell that you program, such as the one that you're doing now, must be numbered 90. You must always number the first Honeywell 90. And every Honeywell that you program after that, the numbers are incremental. So for example, the second Honeywell that you program after this one will be numbered 91, and the third one will be numbered 92. If your store has over 10 handsets, once you enter the 10th handset at number 99, the 11th handset will be numbered 101 and the 12th will be numbered 102. We miss out the number 100, so please take note of that. The subnet mask should be numbered 255, 255, 2550 for every store. So if it is not that, change that now. The default gateway is the IP address re-entered again. So again, for this store, the IP address being 172.31.131. The last set in the default gateway should be 254 in every case. So again, if it is not 254, change it now. Now, to use your stylus and click on the tab Name Servers at the top of the screen. We're going to use your IP address again and enter it into the primary DNS section. Once again, at the end of this section, make sure the numbers are 254 are entered if not already done so. Once completed, click on OK. Make sure to stay away from the red X, as clicking on this will lose all your progress to date. You will then see the hourglass showing that it is actually saving your progress. Then go to the top of the screen and click on the black X to close the window. Then select Internet Options by double clicking, and we're going to re-enter your store's IP address. Do this by removing the blue highlighter and moving the cursor across to the digits before the full stop and the 253, as you can see on the screen. and delete those numbers to the left. Here you will enter the store IP address. At the end of this time of the IP address, in the previous screen we had entered 254. However, in this screen we are going to keep it on 253, and it should always be 253 for every store. Then, to be on the safe side, clear the cache, clear the history, and click OK at the top right hand corner of the screen. This then brings you back to your desktop, and your Honeywell is ready for stock taking.